So to wrap it up, altogether everything seems super simple, and that's one thing that is a little bit weird. I've managed to get the animation working. That's cool. At least animations are working. Animation player, animation tree, and animations are not connected to the controls, movement controls. And I'm not sure that I fix these things. So jump. That's this is idle. Jump, land, melee, slice, whoops, and that's how it goes. So that works, but now movement didn't work, and what I want to do is, this is the next step from the basic. That this time I was doing next step from the basic tutorial, which is a first 3D game, and I want to, because they bring in the fonts, they provide the basic setup without scripts for the project, just the materials folders and those details. But I want to learn how to structure the project files and the nodes, but Eddy needs more exercise. I need more exercise. And that's all. I just want to, for next time, I want to find better tutorial. I guess this is community channels, tutorials and resources. So community where to start, video tutorials, text tutorials. Fine point CGI. Fine point CGI deals with some interesting abstractions like higher level, project management and advanced features. There is a good tutorial about setting up continuous integration. That's important. This is a important tutorial. I want to set this up also for publishing, for releases as I develop. This one covers multiple platforms, release, continuous integration. But working with GitLab. But I don't want to publish on GitHub. I want to publish on my server that supports Git. And then tutorials. 3 plugins, asset library, shaders, user contributed notes, GDScript website, GDScript tutorials, I've got that, solutions, what's okay, event handling, signals, save log, anchor position shader, state machine behavior, 3 pop-ups, projects, 3D snake, game of life, defender, chasing, GODOT. Oh, Game of life. This is cool. Level editor. And then what would be interesting, check something. What is in something like the website? NightQuest game blog. Let's check these out for before closing completely. Latency correlates to 0 FPS. Interesting management. SLG blog. SLG. Game dev artisan. Design tips, tutorials. These guys need to fix this with the generic WordPress stuff and provide the list, just the list of contents, not the excerpts. So I need to scroll half a mile just to get to the second post title. It would be good that these sites have, like I said, list of contents like titles, like on this side here, like this section here, something like that. Tutorials to text, video, where to start GD quest, and that's it. It's super long outro. I don't know, will it work? Thanks everybody for stopping by. Closing this, going to outro section.